There's an old financial joke. If you've got a pension, you might not find it funny. What's the difference between an independent financial advisor and a pigeon? The pigeon can still make deposits on a Ferrari. Harsh? Well, perhaps. But given the track record of so many pension funds, it's not entirely unfair. Most people approach their pensions with the enthusiasm usually reserved for a dentist's waiting room. It's uncomfortable, it's inconvenient, it's painfully dull. And yet, unlike a new pair of teeth, you can't actually replace your pension if you've already messed it up. Here are 5 essential checkpoints everyone must adopt. 1. Do you actually know what's in your pension? Ask yourself right now, can you name your pension's top 10 holdings? No? Well, that's akin to not knowing the ingredients of your dinner. You could be unwittingly funding deforestation, tobacco, actively manage UK small caps for that sake. Now, if boredom is a barrier, remember, boredom is preferable to poverty. Number 2, fee transparency. Imagine paying £5 for a latte, but not realising there's an additional £15 hidden in the milk frothing fee. Blissful ignorance is not something you should have in your pension. Bog standard exchange traded funds charge as little as 0.07%. You might want to switch to some of those. Number 3, performance anxiety. Did your pension outperform a simple index tracker? In 2022, many pension funds significantly underperformed just simple index trackers. Check your returns and compare them with the S&P 500 tracker, often cheaper and smarter than that well-suited expert. Now, number 4, holding sanity check. Beware of diversification. If your pension manager proudly shows you a portfolio of 100 stocks with less than 1% in many of them, ask yourself, why am I paying for an actively managed fund that's basically passively following the market because it's got so many holdings? Number 5, advisor value. Are you smarter yet? Has your advisor ever truly educated you about investing and investing strategies? If the answer is no, well, advisors should really be there to demystify and not just be charging you fees for not educating you. Why trust anyone who won't transparently show you how to cook your financial future? In essence, pensions aren't complicated. They're made complicated by those who profit from obscurity and deliver mediocrity. The real scandal isn't poor pension returns. It's the public's passive acceptance of them. The checklist above, hopefully you'll save it, you'll repeat it, you'll review it in your own time, will save you quite a bit of money from pension mediocrity. Apply it today, or basically risk retiring into poverty tomorrow. Have a look at the links in my bio. Have a look at alpeshpatel.com/links to see more free resources. Get in touch with us if you'd like a free educational pension review. Also, if you'd like a free copy of my investment books published by the Financial Times. If you'd like a free investment course. You might be in for the one-to-one calls. You might be a person who likes to read. You might be like a person who likes to watch videos. Whatever it is, we've got something free for you to help improve your financial education. I'm Alpesh Patel. I'm a hedge fund manager. I'm also formerly a visiting fellow at Oxford University, educating and lecturing on behavioral finance, where finance meets psychology. I've written 18 books, most published by the Financial Times, on investing, and I've written 200 columns in the Financial Times in a weekly column, as well as formerly being on Bloomberg TV. I think I've got a pretty good handle on how to improve people's pensions, or at least educate them and inform them to help them do it themselves. Thank you very much.